In the heart of the jungle, Leo, the treasure hunter, battles through dense foliage, his eyes burning with relentless determination. The deafening roar of a hidden waterfall echoes through the jungle, promising both untold riches and lurking dangers. In a moment of triumph, Leo discovers a hidden cavern concealed behind the powerful curtain of water, the air thick with mystery. The waterfall serves as a dramatic threshold, beckoning adventurers into the abyss of the unknown. In the heart of the cavern, the emerald heart rests upon an ancient pedestal, its ethereal glow promising both wonder and peril. Drawn by its mesmerizing light, Leo approaches the emerald heart, his curiosity battling a sense of foreboding. The cavern erupts in chaos as Leo touches the emerald heart, unleashing a deafening boom and awakening stone guardians from their age-long slumber. As stone guardians awaken, Leo mutters, "Oh, great!" a curse, acknowledging the dire consequences of his actions. In the cavern's heart, stone guardians awaken, their ancient fury unleashed as they relentlessly pursue Leo. With the walls closing in, Leo sprints desperately towards the exit, his heart pounding in sync with the impending doom. In a daring leap of faith, Leo seizes a hanging rope vine, swinging across a deep chasm as the temple crumbles into oblivion. Clutching the emerald heart, Leo gasps for breath, unaware that the real adventure has only just begun.